Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Calamita playlist. Can you believe it's been over a year since we purchased this beauty? We bought this 2000 Dutchman Ultralite on a very ominous Friday the 13th, and frankly, it has lived up to the date. We thought we were doing just a fun, surface-level spruce-up of an older camper. We were ready for fresh paint and some new cushions. But Calamita had other plans. What you're seeing here is the initial footage. The moment we realized this wasn't a renovation, it was a full, down-to-the-studs rehab. The seller had clearly hidden some serious water damage, and suddenly we were ripping out walls, tearing up floors, and basically starting over from scratch. We are nowhere near finished, but looking at that before footage and then looking at this now, I couldn't be prouder of how far we've come. She is officially shedding that cursed Friday the 13th vibe and becoming the bright, eclectic adventure camper that we dreamed of. The big difference is how much bigger and more usable the space feels. We deliberately designed every inch to maximize function, adding character without breaking the bank. For example, we reused what we could and combined it with unique materials like items from Disney's property control. You can see how that specialized fabrication and theme consulting background, what we do every day for our business at Next Left, really came into play. My favorite part is that we didn't buy much new. We utilized my sewing skills for all of the recovered and altered cushions with huge rolls of upholstery fabric from property control. I got those for 50 cents. And we used cheap materials to create expensive looks, like our faux carved wood valances and the trunk hardware from old Disney Cruise Line trunks. We just wanted to share our excitement. The sheer volume of work from new floors to new walls felt endless. But seeing the space this bright and welcoming makes every hour worth it. We still have a long way to go, so you can count on plenty more progress videos coming your way.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure. Explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away, we won't see another day. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait, I can take the pain. I will surrender, let me go. It's a new adventure. adventure.
Always an adventure?
Always.
Can you say that louder?
Always.
Thank you. Let us know what you think of the transformation so far in the comments below, and we will see you on the next project. That's it for this Lake Calamita update. We're so glad you hung out with us. If you enjoy unique projects like this, you need to explore the rest of our channel. We're not just about flipping this RV. We're all about adventure, creativity, incredible food. We've got videos on our travels all over the world, our deep love for animal conservation and fun DIY projects that cover everything from house flipping to furniture flipping. We even have a bunch of videos showcasing our personal artwork. And for those who love a good theme, you'll find our passion for cooking, party planning, and theming in videos of themed dinners, cake decorating. I even cook with my dad once a month. If you've got a curious brain, our channel is definitely the place for you. Hit the subscribe button, check out the Lake Calamita playlist, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.